Design isn't just about features, it's about performance that goes beyond day one and every day after. That's why smart displays are pushed to the limit before they ever reach you. We test for extreme humidity, voltage spikes, and vibration, plus the real-world scenarios your teams face every day. The result? Displays built to last 50,000 hours of use. For you, that means fewer disruptions, lower total cost of ownership, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've invested in the lowest failure rates in the industry. When you do feel it's time to upgrade, you don't have to start over. A simple OPS module upgrade can transform even older smartboards into a feels-like new powerhouse, extending their lifespan for 10 years or longer. We're the only interactive display manufacturer that regression tests OPS appliances to work on products released as early as 2015, because technology should stay in your space and out of the landfill. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.